This is All India Radio, Whispers of the Wind. All India Radio, in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, presents science serial Whispers of the Wind, based on understanding and managing climate change and global warming. Let's listen to the episode number 39th, titled Rain Cycle and Changing Monsoon Pattern.
As a result of global warming, the world's climate is changing and its effects is being felt the world over. And one of the most important parameters of climate is rainfall. Just as there is a direct relationship between climate and agriculture, so is there one between rainfall and agriculture. So when rainfall patterns change, its effect is directly felt on cropping patterns worldwide. The changing rainfall pattern in India is a huge concern as the country's water and food security is at a risk. Changes in climate over the Indian region, particularly during the southwest monsoon, would have a significant impact on agriculture production, water resources, management, and overall economy of the country. This episode depicts how climate change and global warming have affected our monsoon pattern and rain cycle. It also describes mitigation measures for the same.
Now, all the disciples of Radhesham Baba, I know you all have gathered here to hear holy speech from Baba.
Radhesham Baba ki!
So, I will not become a barrier between you and Radhesham Baba. And now, Babaji will address you.
Radhesham Baba ki!
Jai!
Radhesham Baba ki!
Jai!
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Once again, my disciples. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
All my dear disciples, you are lucky. Today, Lord Shiva himself has arrived here among us to hear my holy speech. What? You cannot see? But trust me, I can see Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
He is with us here, and hence His blessings are always with us. So all my dear disciples, now don't worry. Lord Shiva is with you. All your problems will be solved.
Babaji, the problem of rains.
Where did this voice come from? Who said that?
Sorry, Babaji. I asked. I'm Surinder.
That's not important.
But Baba, that's the major problem. And you said all the problems will be solved. So.
Don't you trust me?
No, Babaji. That's not the case. But
what? Who are you? What do you do?
Baba, I'm a farmer. That's why I'm worried, Babaji. It's already late now. And further delay in rails will cause heavy losses to us.
Do you think I don't know this? I know everything and everyone. I can even see the situation even if I'm not present physically there.
बोलो राधे श्याम बाबा की जय। बोलो राधे श्याम बाबा की जय।
All my dear disciples, listen to me carefully. I know all your problems, and I also know all these problems will be solved, provided
What, Baba?
provided you confess to Lord Shiva.
We are ready, Baba. We are ready.
Okay then. But you have to confess with some grand offerings to Lord Shiva. Somebody should take responsibility of this. Mahipal?
Baba ji, you know my name, Baba.
I know everything, beta.
So lucky I am. Baba ji knows my name.
Mahipal, listen. You will take the responsibility.
Yes, Baba. I will take the responsibility, Baba.
On next Monday, collect milk, ghee, rava, sugar and honey.
Sure, Baba. Whatever you say, Baba, I will do that. I will collect.
But remember, everything should be 16 kilograms.
16 kilograms?
Yes, and the milk should be 16 liters too. Otherwise, your problems will not be solved.
I will surely do it, Baba. Don't worry. I will do it.
I am not worried. It's all for you.
Yes.
To get rid of your worries.
Okay, Baba. Thank you, Baba.
And yes, one more thing.
What is it, Baba ji?
Collect 16,000 rupees also, huh?
16,000 rupees?
Yes. You can contribute and get the money easily. After all, it's a question of rains and thereby your fields too.
We will do it, Baba ji. Definitely we will do it. We will do it. Yes.
Okay then. Start for the preparations, Mahipal. Lord Shiva is with you all, everyone.
बोलो राधे श्याम बाबा की जय। बोलो राधे श्याम बाबा की जय।
Shri Krishna Govinda
हरे मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी।
Sunita!
Coming. Haji.
Sunita, I'm keeping 200 rupees here. If Mahipal comes, give it to him.
Had you borrowed it from him?
No, Sunita. I did not borrow the amount from anybody. This is for the contribution.
Contribution? Which contribution?
Sunita, how can you forget what I told you yesterday night?
Oh, the contribution for the offerings in the temple.
Yes, Sunita.
What yes? Are you even aware how I run this home? We don't have excess money. And if the same situation persists, then we will definitely run short of money to meet the daily needs.
Yes, Sunita, I know. But all this is for improving the situation only. Why don't you understand?
All this which is going on will not help improve our situations. Yes, it will definitely improve the situation of that Baba.
Sunita! About whom are you talking? Radhe Shyam Baba? Radhe Shyam Baba knows everything.
Knows everything.
In fact, he suggested this remedy when I raised my problem during his holy speech. He could have easily ignored me.
How could he ignore you? This is in fact golden opportunity for him to make money.
Sunita! Now stop! I cannot listen a word against Radhe Shyam Baba.
Hey, hello Surendra.
Pratap?
Hey, what's going on, Surendra? I was just passing by from here, but I heard you shouting loudly in angry voice. So I came to see what's going on, huh? Surendra, are you shouting at Bhabiji?
Pratap,
Bhabiji, what has happened? Is everything okay?
Nothing serious, Bhaiji. Please have a seat.
Okay.
I will make tea for you.
Oh, Bhabiji. Surendra, hey, listen. I can see it on your face. You can tell me now.
Pratap, I was talking about the contribution.
Which contribution?
It's for the holy offerings to Lord Shiva for getting good rains this year.
Are you serious, Surendra?
No, Pratap. I'm very serious. Radhesham Baba told that it will certainly bring good rains.
And you trusted on his words? Disgusting, man.
Pratap, of course. I trust him. And Pratap, not only me, but everyone who was present during the holy speech of Baba has agreed for this offering.
Oh, come on, Surendra. These offerings will not bring any rains here. Instead, you will all lose your money. And your so-called Baba will gain all that money.
Pratap, now you are also talking like Sunita.
So what's wrong in that, Surendra? Listen here. No Baba can bring rains like that, huh? You may be a disciple of that Baba. Okay. But in this issue, you must trust me.
And why so?
Oh, Surendra, you are so simple. Because of this reason that I am a meteorologist. I study weather and climatic condition. I know which are the factors responsible for the good rains and which are responsible for the drought. Your Baba can't do anything in this. He is just making you a fool.
Exactly. Bhaiji, I was telling him the same.
Really?
Sunita.
But who will listen to me? Anyways, you have tea.
Thank you so much, Sunita Bhabhi. Bhabhi ji, you are absolutely correct, I must say.
Pratap, what can I say now? The only request to both of you is, please convince the villagers. If all the villagers are contributing for the holy offerings, then we alone cannot boycott it. You have to understand this.
I agree, Surendra. Just listen to me. Hope you can think independently. See, the reason behind the delay in rains is neither spiritual nor due to the anger of any god. Our rain depends on several factors such as sufficient pressure difference, ice cover in Himalayan mountain ranges, humidity, seawater temperature, and so on. And actually, it's a natural system. If any one factor goes wrong strongly, obviously our rains will get affected. The scientists are continuously monitoring the climatic conditions.
Okay, fine. Then call those scientists and ask them to bring rains. Can you do that?
Why to call other scientists? Bhaiji will explain all of this to the villagers. He is working at the district office.
Yes, Bhabiji, I will surely do that.
How? And when? We have to do all the preparations. Why don't you understand?
Surendra, my brother, don't worry at all. I will do it my way. You just wait and watch.
Okay.
What you want, Mahipalji? Coming. Chotu, what are you doing?
Chotu, bring some tea here.
Chotu, give the tea to Saab.
Hey, hello Mahipal, how are you?
Oh, Pratap Saab, I'm fine. How are you, Saab?
I'm fine. Actually, Mahipal, I was looking for you.
For me?
Yes.
What happened, Saab?
Actually, I want to give contribution for the holy offerings, huh? And the villagers told me that you have been given the responsibility to collect the contribution from everyone.
Yes, Sahib. That's correct. But I haven't started collecting it yet. You are the first one.
Okay.
And I will start from you only, Sahib. Is that okay?
Okay. Mahipal, since you haven't started collecting the money yet, I would suggest something, huh?
Okay.
And it will help in doing your job in a very easier way.
Oh, so nice you are. Surely, Saab. What should I do for that?
Mahipal, after 2 days, call all the villagers in Panchayat with their contribution.
Okay.
We will collect all that money at once.
Oh.
I will help you for that. So, you are not required to go to each and every house asking for money.
You are really very nice, Saab. Very good idea. I must say, a very good idea. I will send this message to everyone for coming in Panchayat.
Good.
Nice.
I will be there too. But I will talk to all the villagers first, huh?
Okay, Saab. As you say, Ram Ram, Sahib. Ram Ram.
Okay, Mahipal.
All you listen to me. Please listen to me. Let me talk now. See, we have to collect our contribution for the holy offerings which will be carried out on coming Monday.
Okay, already, yeah.
And this will bring rains and happiness. But, before we begin, Pratap Sahib, as you all know him, he wants to speak to you on this issue.
What issue?
So I request Pratap Sahib to address the gathering. Pratap Sahib, please come, address them.
Hello. Friends, today we have gathered for one important cause. But before we start collecting money from you, I want to speak to you on some important issue. And the important issue is obviously rain.
We have not come to listen to your speech. Please take our contribution and let us go.
Let us go.
We have got to do.
Yes, I agree with you. But when you are paying from your pocket, you need to think seriously over it. I will not take much of your time.
Okay. Finish it fast.
Okay, thank you so much for this opportunity. But let me ask you one question. A very simple one. Surendra, can you tell me, please, why do we get rain?
We get rain because lot of black clouds gather in the sky, and at certain moment of time it starts raining.
Correct. Surendra has given the right answer. But it's not complete. Yes, exactly. Because he has not said why do black clouds gather in the sky. Do they want to pay contribution like us and gather at one place? Huh? Obviously not.
Then what's the reason?
You all will definitely agree with me on one thing, that we get rains in certain specific months only, right?
Yes, from June to September.
Yes. So, the black clouds which bring rains appear in these months only. Generally, such clouds we don't find otherwise.
Yes, that's right.
And do you know why these clouds come during those specific months only? Huh? Anyone? You don't. Don't worry. I will tell you. The type of rain which we have, we call it monsoon. It occurs in particular season only.
But Bhaiji, why does it occur in a particular season only?
Thank you for your question, Sunita Bhabi. Thank you so much for this good question. Monsoon, a major wind system that seasonally reverses its direction, such as one that blows from approximately 6 months from the northeast and 6 months from the southwest. Indian monsoon, the most prominent of the world's monsoon systems, which blows from the northeast during cooler months and reverses direction to blow from the southwest during the warmest months of the year. This process brings large amount of rainfall during June and July.
You are right, beta. But this year it's too late.
I know.
We all are desperately waiting for the rains to come.
Yes, we are waiting for a long time.
Chacha, please take rest. Don't stand up. And I can understand. In fact, I am standing here to tell you the true reason of delayed rains only.
Okay, then tell us.
See, we are facing drought-like situation here, and there was flooding in Rajasthan recently.
But Pratap, it's desert area in Rajasthan.
You are correct, Surendra. Still, there was a lot of rain this year.
That's why Baba has advised to worship and give holy offerings. Now you see, all irregularities will disappear. You know,
Wait, Mahipal, wait. Let me complete and then come to the conclusion. Don't jump to conclusions. So I was talking about irregularities of rains, right? You might have experienced good start of rainy season, but suddenly the rain disappearing even for 2 to 3 weeks.
Yes, that's okay. Yes.
You see, sometimes it rains so heavily that all our fields flood away, right?
That's right. Yes.
See, this distribution has become uneven. Based on the rainfall analysis, the researchers found that between 1961 and 2013, about 10% districts of the country show an increasing trend of annual rainfall, whereas about 15% districts show a decreasing trend.
And we are in those 15%?
The data shows that in northwest India, where Uttarakhand lies, the amount of rains has increased by 25% during months of May and June.
25%?
Yes, but there is significant decrease in rainfall in July and August. So we are facing these irregularities. At outset, I can say, changes in atmospheric conditions have led to higher frequency of prolonged dry spells and short wet spells with increasing intensity.
Pratap, what are wet and dry spells?
Let me explain it to you. Wet and dry spells are defined as 3 or more consecutive days of extremely high or extremely low rainfall. And such extreme weather events are increasing the risk of drought and flood, particularly in central part of India.
But Pratap Sahib, what is the cause of all this?
And what should we do now to come out of this situation?
Yes, tell us.
Calm down. Listen to me. Being a meteorologist, I will answer your questions. By now, you must have understood that the rain is purely natural phenomenon and there are certain atmospheric processes which govern this phenomenon.
Yes. We are
Right?
yes.
Well, the problem in recent years is that the incidence of extreme events, either too much rain or too little over a limited period of time, is becoming more widespread. So one can say everything about the monsoon is changing. Rainfall intensity, duration, frequency and spatial distribution.
But Pratap Sahib, if you don't mind, I want to ask why?
It is due to change in climatic conditions all over the world, Mahipal. Remember, nature does not have any boundaries. Any event occurring thousands of kilometers away from us can affect our rains too.
Oh, is it so?
The change in climatic conditions is majorly due to global warming, but there are other parameters also, such as El Nino, which affect our rains adversely. Change in rain cycle is due to change in climatic conditions. Glaciers in Himalaya mountain are melting due to global warming. This melting of ice cap will adversely affect the monsoon. Changes in monsoon patterns would make droughts and floods more common in many parts of India. But remember guys, no Baba will help you to get rid of this situation. Yes, Mahipal, you have to unite and do efforts for your better life ahead instead of wasting money like this.
But Pratap, what exactly should we do?
See, first of all, plan your agricultural activities according to the advice given by experts.
Okay.
Yes, nowadays there are so many bulletins and even mobile apps on your hand which helps you about this. Prepare yourself for fighting against such disasters.
Disaster? What do you mean by disaster, Pratap Sahib?
Well, Mahipal, I mean conserve water when there is good rain.
Oh, conservation of water.
Yes, you know, it's such a shame that we are unable to harvest water that is made available to us and end up with a crisis situation at times like these.
Yes, correct.
You know, we can try to have new irrigation system in the village. Use drought resistant seeds.
But how is it possible, beta?
Yes, Chacha, all this is possible with the contribution which you all are giving today.
Contribution?
Yes, but rather spend this money for good cause and also to conserve nature. The problem of climate change and global warming is due to human interventions in nature. So, we must take a step now to correct our mistakes.
Yes, Pratap. Yes, my friend. We must correct our mistake and use this money in better way. Thank you for opening our eyes, Pratap. We all are with you. We all are with you, Pratap. बोलो प्रताप बाबा की जय। बोलो प्रताप बाबा की
Thank you so much.
Whispers of the Wind. You were listening to the 39th episode of the science serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, titled Rain Cycle and Changing Monsoon Pattern. This episode was written by Shri Hemant Lagwankar. Coordinators were Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Virendra Kumar Tyagi. This episode was directed by Kajal Suri, presented by Dilip Jha and assisted by Neha Tuck. Participants were Rakshit Thaplial, Gaurav Devgan, Nikhil Diwan and Divya Parashar. Hey listeners, please stay with us. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky winners will get attractive prizes from Vigyan Prasar. The first question is, what is rain cycle? And the second question is, what are the different factors affecting the rain cycle? You can send your answers by simple post. Our address is Science Serial, Whispers of the Wind, Director Vigyan Prasar, A50 Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida 201309. You can also write on our email ID radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Please do write or mail us your full name, age, address and profession. If associated with Science Club, do let us know the membership of your club. If you have any query or question, don't hesitate to write to us. We'll be back again with the next episode of this science serial, Whispers of the Wind, same day, same time next week. Till then, goodbye.